Meanwhile, today, Accenture announced the launch of Accenture LearnVantage, a new service they're going to use to help clients upskill their workforces in AI and technology. Accenture also announced as part of that, they're going to acquire the digital education platform Udacity to accelerate the capabilities of Accenture LearnVantage. And joining us now to discuss is Accenture CEO Julie Sweet. Julie, welcome. So I wonder, is this Udacity move, LearnVantage launch, a bet that AI is going to have an upskilling wave over the next 5 years, maybe similar to the hybrid work spike that we saw that was so lucrative for Accenture?
Hi, John. Thanks for having me. It's not a bet. We are definitely seeing that there is a big demand for AI and other IT training. It is the top issue for CEOs. Over half the companies we surveyed have said they're now having their growth constrained because they don't have enough access to IT skills. And with AI, and so our clients are already coming to us, and this is a move to meet their needs at the scale that we're seeing.
Okay, so I mean a bet in the sense that it's a platform play. You're spending quite a bit. You're announcing the $1 billion investment plus whatever you spent on Udacity. I don't think you said. But for this to work, you've got to boost productivity and scale good customer outcomes more quickly than you scale employees, I imagine. And if this works, I guess you'll get a lot more business. Isn't that sort of what has to happen?
So really, this particular business line, right, is based on our clients needing to rotate their talent. So we're helping them become talent creators. It, of course, helps feed the rest of our business because clients, in order to use AI to transform themselves, need to have that talent. They can only partner, with us for so much of it. So they're super complementary. And I think what's most important, first of all, we're also training way beyond AI, because to use AI, you actually have to have built a digital core. And so our training is really across the board in IT skills. And so we really see that there will be very strong demand that is strategically helping drive demand as well for our services beyond the new services.
Julie, when you talk about rotation within the workforce, I just wondered, Klarna last week came on the show. They said they've got a chatbot that's doing the work of 700 full-time employees. Just earlier this week, JP Morgan says its AI-aided cash flow model can cut manual work by 90%. How much of that rotation is going to be the result of job displacement?
There'll be a significant part of it. Now, in a lot of cases, it's not actually taking out roles. In fact, many clients are coming to us because it's augmenting workers. So they're trying to figure out, how do we, in fact, reorganize our companies? Because what we're seeing is that a lot of different roles save a little bit of time or are augmented as opposed to completely eliminating roles. And that's where upskilling is also really important as you think about, well, how do we use that time for higher value add? But absolutely, there is going to be job displacement from AI, and many of our clients want to make a bet on their employees and reskill them, and employees do. Our survey said that 94% of employees want to learn about Gen AI, but only 5% of companies are actually providing it at scale. So this is a way for companies to have their great talent redeployed in higher value areas to help them grow more and make sure that they're bringing our people along the way on the journey.